Welcome to Medicine and Health Info MK. No complicated diets or difficult exercises. The answers are in our homes, our kitchens, and balconies. These spaces can be our personal pharmacies. Traditional wisdom can bring big changes to our health. Gas or bloating is trapped air in your digestive system. Acidity is a burning feeling when acid moves up into the food pipe. Processed foods, irregular meals, and stress are common triggers. We eat too fast, chew less, and pick heavy foods. Pills help briefly, but they are not a long-term solution. Real relief comes from gentle lifestyle shifts and simple herbs. Stay with Medicine and Health Info MK to learn how. Meet 3 green heroes to fight gas and acidity: mint, tulsi, and ajwain. Pudina or mint has a fresh, cooling taste. It relaxes stomach muscles and eases indigestion. Tulsi, or holy basil, is a powerful medicinal herb. It reduces the effects of stress and protects the stomach lining. Ajwain leaves are fragrant and highly digestive. They share the strong flavor of the seeds. Thymol in ajwain boosts digestive juices and relieves gas. A living remedy within arm's reach. Easy to find, simple to grow, and very effective. A small, sunny spot or windowsill is enough. Turn your home into a living, breathing medicine cabinet. Daily, natural support that reconnects you with nature and heritage. Use small terracotta pots with a drainage hole so soil can breathe and roots stay healthy. Choose a good potting mix, or mix soil, compost, and sand, then fill pots leaving an inch at the top. For mint, take healthy stems, remove lower leaves, and place in water to root. When roots reach about an inch, pot them and give morning sunlight. Keep soil damp, not waterlogged. For tulsi, use seeds or a sapling. Plant in a sunny spot and water lightly each day. Ajwain likes sun and good drainage. Water only when the topsoil feels dry. Harvest a few leaves whenever you need them. Growing these herbs is rewarding and connects you to your food and health. Subscribe to Medicine and Health Info MK for more simple home health tips. For quick relief after a meal, wash and chew 4 to 5 mint leaves slowly. Chew 1 or 2 ajwain leaves for gas and bloating. Direct chewing releases natural oils. Gently crush mint, tulsi, or both. Pour a cup of boiling water, cover, and steep 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and drink warm, 20 to 30 minutes after meals. Start the day with tulsi leaves. Add chopped mint to buttermilk or raita. Try ajwain water in the morning with seeds or leaves. With a healthy lifestyle, these herbs can support digestion and cholesterol. Consistency matters. These are gentle, natural allies. Good digestion improves energy, skin, and overall wellness. Build a strong foundation, one leaf at a time. If you are pregnant, on medication, or have conditions, talk to your doctor first. Natural remedies should work alongside medical guidance. Start small. Pick one plant, mint, tulsi, or ajwain, and begin. Enjoy watching it grow and using fresh leaves for tea. Simple, accessible wisdom that empowers everyone. Manage gas, acidity, and support heart health with humble herbs. Follow Medicine and Health Info MK for more simple, practical health tips. Stay well, stay healthy, and stay connected to the wisdom of nature.